Underneath a Yorkshire sky, we click our heels together and set off on a magical journey. To a Technicolor place filled with centuries of stories where friends old and new are waiting to welcome us. A yellow brick road will show the path to follow. Let it lead you to a land filled with joy and wonder. Look out along the way, as all the best adventures have some unexpected surprises. Bring your brains, your heart, and a little dose of courage as we welcome you to share in our festive celebrations. There is no place like this home. Christmas at Castle Howard with the Wonderful Wizard of Oz. Book now.